Hello everyone. Today another lesson of Leshing with some more common animals. Here we have Nare and Wuse. In the savannah there are cheetah and zarafa. Swimming in the sea, Sunu and Lemba. Kid animals are Rushu and Gula. And also Erin and Zampa. Big birds like Nugis and Larus can be quite scary. In the woods, you can see Yago and Kupi. Long-legged ones are Yon and Grus. On branches there is Meja, with tail, Tune and Wata. Important fish are Lasung and Gad, but also Tun, Sarda and Hilas, an important predator. Intelligent animals are a hitan or a kitten with many legs. We see Potofo and Edufo. Useful insects are Laneki, and annoying is Lecus. And that's all. Thanos.